Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
A very good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
Moksh Patel.
Good morning,
This
ma'am.
is Moksh Patel. This is not your playing class, bacha.
Yes, ma'am.
This is your maths class. Sit properly. We are going to start the new chapter. Today is 29 September and it is 2021. So we are going to start a new chapter. Chapter number. What is the number of the chapter now?
Nine. Chapter number nine. Chapter number
Chapter number
9.
9. What is the name of this chapter?
Play with patterns.
Play with patterns.
11th chapter. Play with patterns.
I'm talking about the chapter number 9. What is the name of this chapter?
Halves and quarts. Quarters and halves.
Halves and quarters. Halves nahi hai. This is not halves. Halves and
Quarters. Quarters.
quarters. So,
Ma'am, it is related to fractions.
yes, the name of the chapter is halves and quarters. As Jignesh said, Jignesh, turn on your camera. Vihan Vyas, turn on your camera. Lakshya, turn on your camera. Vedi, turn on your camera. Vihan Vyas, Kritika, turn on your camera and sit in the
Ma'am, my
class.
camera is not working.
Vihan, I will not allow you in the class if your camera is not working because it is not working since many days. So it is
Ma'am,
better
I'm
to leave the
turning on
class.
my camera and it is automatically
One
getting
thing
off.
I wanted to tell you that you are not coming in the class regularly, and the next thing, your camera always off. So please keep it in your mind that you will be graded on the basis of that. If your camera will be off in the class frequently, if you coming Asta, sit properly. And if you coming not on the daily basis, so it is please note that you have to attend your class regularly. Yes, Krishav, any doubt that you have raised your hand? Any confusion till now?
Ma'am, I was asking that before what is about the chapter?
Yes.
What is the chapter means by?
Yes. So can you tell me?
Ma'am, we have to write this in notebook.
No.
Ma'am,
We first have to
can
understand.
I say it?
Krishav, can you tell me? This chapter is about what? What are we going to learn in this
Ma'am,
chapter?
can I say?
Krishav.
Ma'am,
Yes, Jignesh.
about fractions.
Shivani. Yes, you tell me what are we going to learn in this chapter?
Ma'am, to get something of circle shape in equal.
Only the circle shape we can divide it
Ma'am, do
equally.
we need geometric kit?
No.
And any shape. All the shape we
Okay.
can divide.
Jignesh said fraction. Fraction is also one kind of typical name. Can anyone describe this in the easy terms? What do you mean by the word fraction? What is fraction? Yes, tell me. Who will tell me what is fraction? Can anyone tell me what is fraction? No one? Yes, Dhwani.
Ma'am, can I try?
Yes.
Uh, Fraction means quarter.
Fraction means quarter.
Just time.
Harsh Keshwani, 5 minutes late in my class. Turn on your camera and sit in the class, please.
Ma'am, I think uh,
Yes, Arush
for
Miani. What is fraction?
two half and three.
Half and three. What is half and three? What is half and three? I don't know. Fraction means part of a whole. What is fraction? You can write that also now in your note. फ्रैक्शन मीन्स पार्ट ऑफ अ होल. किस कंप्लीट थिंग का कुछ पार्ट, उसको फ्रैक्शन कहते हैं. कितना पार्ट, दैट वी विल लर्न नाउ. But what do exactly fraction means? Part of a whole. Whole means the complete thing. Okay, if this is the pizza, complete pizza, और उसका कुछ part is called the fraction. It can be any part, which we will learn about the different parts, how to see half and how to see quarters. Okay. Part of a whole is called fraction. Now in this chapter, we are going to learn about the fraction. Before going to fractions, you told the name of the chapter is halves and quarters. Who will tell me what is half? Raise your virtual hand. Who will tell me what do you mean by the word half? Yes, Pritika.
Ma'am, any shape we have to divide in equal part, it is called half.
Equally divided into two. It is only related with the shape.
No, ma'am, we can do with any shape or any design also.
Only with the design, not in the real life.
Yes,
Can you give me some examples of real life where you can do the halves?
ma'am, with a rubber, eraser,
Eraser, okay.
a board, blackboard,
Blackboard, okay.
cupboard.
Cupboard, how you can divide it, okay. We can consider real life situation, the things which you eat. You cannot do the half of that. Sometimes my mama also say, no, share half with your friend.
Yes, ma'am.
Share half with your brother or sisters. So what that a half means? उस half का मतलब क्या होता है? Who will tell me what that half means? Yes, Krisha.
Ma'am, half means a divide. We divided between two people or two things. Like this is a eraser. I am dividing them it in a half. So this part is a half and this is a half. We have one thing and we have to share them to anybody. So we have to cut it in a half.
Exactly half? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you, Shivani, what do you mean by the half means?
Ma'am, to share something with our brother, sister, or friend.
Only sharing में ही half होते हैं? I cannot do the half of this paper. Suppose I am showing you something.
And you can do it.
What is in my hand?
A paper.
So when I want to make a half of it, what I will do?
Ma'am, you will
cut.
fold it and then cut it.
I will exactly fold it into the half and I will cut it into the half.
Yes.
Can anyone having things around your surroundings and show it to me and show the half of that things? The eatable things, anything around you, the apple, the lemon, anything, main roti, chapati.
Ma'am, this
Anyone is having, can anyone show me
this
in the live class?
ma'am, this is the cookie, and this is the half of this cookie.
Very good. Very good. Can you show everyone again, Jignesh, and speak and tell them? See, very excellent.
I have
This is a cookie. Wait. Good. I
Ma'am,
will
I have
pin
a
now
chalk.
to Vedi. Yes.
I have
Stop.
a chalk. I broke it and right in half.
Very good. Can anyone is having the things around you? Yes, Krisha. Please speak. Show us.
Ma'am, this is a biscuit and this is the half of the biscuit.
Okay.
Share it.
This is not the half.
It's a half, ma'am.
Okay. It has two parts, so you then did the half out of the two parts. Okay. Anyone else wants to show me? Okay. Now I also have a pizza with me. You all, when I say the name of the pizza, everyone is mouth is watering? Yes or no?
Yes.
Jignesh, you don't like?
And then like today there will be pizza party.
Yes.
Let's see. Let's see which pizza it is. Huh?
You will eat
By
it.
looking at that, don't tell me which type of pizza. This is my pizza.
Ma'am, this is your pizza.
Normally we have what image we have in the mind about the pizza. The pizza comes in a
Circle.
circular shape. That is why I have taken this example. This is my pizza. Okay. And now this pizza I have divided into two equal parts. So each part is the half.
Yes.
This is also half and this is also half. So you all know, children, how we write half in the fraction. Fraction means some number we will write up and something we will write up. That also I will tell you what the upper number is called and what the down number is called.
1/2, 1/3.
We write half as a 1 upon. We read
Ma'am,
it
is
as
this
1.
rangometry?
Yes, this is in
Is this
Rangomat.
rangometry?
No, this is available in the fraction kit.
Fraction?
So 1 upon 2. Each part half. How we donate the half in the fraction? How we write the half in the fractions? 1 upon 2. Why, do you know why are we writing 1 upon 2?
And because of half.
Then there are two parts.
Yes. There are total 2 parts. Total 2 part. Total always come as the down. That also what I will let you know what the down number is called. And the upper number we are talking about the one part. So that is why the 1 is at the upper.
And ma'am, if quarter is
If we are talking about both the two, both the halves, then it will be 2 upon 2. And 2 upon 2, when we cancel 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, will be 1 full. Okay, 2 halves. 2 halves becomes what? Asta, 2 halves
One.
become what?
And one full.
1 full.
Ma'am, one.
1 half, and this is another half. When I combine these 2 halves, it will become 1 full. Okay, got it, everyone?
Ma'am, if quarter is there, then we'll.
I will come on the quarter also. Let me discuss about the half only today, right now. So, are you all clear about the half? HALF. Half is clear. How we write the half in the fraction? 1
Yes.
upon 2. Why are we writing 1 upon 2? Total 2 parts. One part out of the 2 parts is the half.
1/4 is 4 parts, no, ma'am?
I will come on that. 1 upon 4 is the 4 parts out of the one part we are talking, and that will be quarter. Then I will come on the quarter. First, half is clear to you all. What is half?
Yes, ma'am.
When we divide anything, when we divide into two equal parts is the half. And how to write the half? 1 upon 2. Why to write 1 upon 2? Because there are total 2 parts, and after that we are talking about the one part.
May I drink water?
Yes, please. Half is clear to you all? Okay. Now I will go to what is, because the other word is quarters. What is quarter? So before going to the quarter, again, I want to give you the half example in the another one. Suppose I have a dairy milk. I have a dairy milk chocolate. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is dairy milk having 10 small parts. So what is the half of this dairy milk? Please tell me.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Shivani.
Ma'am, can I say? I need different friends. 10 upon 5.
Shivani, what is the half of this dairy milk
Ma'am, 5.
in the fraction? Your mic is mute, Shivani.
Hello.
Yes.
Now can you hear me?
Yes.
5 upon 5.
5 upon 5. Is she right, students?
No.
Yes,
Yeah.
Dheer, you tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Going Kuladi, mute yourself,
Yes, ma'am.
please.
What half of this divide?
What is the half of this dairy milk? Dairy milk chocolate. Because there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how you will write the half in the fraction of this dairy milk?
Ma'am, I can tell.
1/5.
Hare.
Ma'am, 1 upon 5.
No. Arth.
Ma'am, I can tell.
Ma'am, 1/2.
No.
10 upon 5.
You are saying little reverse. Yes, Dwani.
4 upon 4 upon 4.
No. Yes, Vedi.
5 upon 10.
Who gave me the answer?
1
Pratika.
upon 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you have said no, it is the middle.
Yes, 5 upon 10. Why? Why it is
Ma'am,
not looking like
because-
that 1 upon 2? Why I am saying that 5 upon 10 is also the half?
Ma'am, because 10 half is 5.
Because there are total 10 parts and the half of 10 are 5 parts. So means 5 upon 10 is the half. And now I will show you how to simplify this. 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. Now it is similar to the half. Yes or no?
Yes.
Got it, students? So when you have total 10 parts and you are talking at the half parts which are 5. So 5 is means half parts. Total are 10 parts. Suppose you have something which is having, suppose you have one pizza. You have divided into the 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. You have divided into 6 equal parts. So what is, how you will write the half of this?
3 upon
Ma'am,
6.
3 upon 6.
3 upon 6. Got it? Half of
Yep.
6 is 3. That will be your this number and this will be your total numbers. Got it? Now please see here. As I am telling you, you said the fraction there is 3 upon 6. This is the one fraction. This is same as the half. This is same as the half. 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6 is same as the half.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
upper number is called the numerator. Please write it in your notebooks. If you write, the upper number is called the numerator and the down number is called the denominator. These are the spellings for that. Numerator and denominator. Please write it in your notebooks if you want to write. 3 upon 6 is the fraction. If you run, what is 3? Is the numerator. And the number which is down is called as the denominator.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'm confused in half.
What is confusion? Please tell me. Suppose there is one object which you have divided. Total are the 20 parts. What is the half of that?
10.5.
10 upon 20.
10 upon
0.5 तो हम पढ़ ही नहीं रहे ना यहाँ पर. How point
10
will
upon,
come?
how it can be 10 upon 20?
Half of 20 is 10.
10.
Half
Okay,
of
ma'am, I
20 is 10
understood.
and total are 20 parts.
Okay, ma'am, if you have given that a chocolate and it is of 10 parts, so I will write 5 upon 10.
Yes, 5 upon 10 is also the half.
Ma'am, if it is 5, so
Excuse
so
me,
I will
ma'am.
write.
Yes. Yes,
Ma'am.
Kritika, please ask.
Ma'am, if the number is 9, so how do we
Hmm.
have it to half?
Instant corrections make your writing mistake-free while keeping it short.
Ma'am,
That
can you
will-
write 4.5 and
That will come in your next grade. Still now you should know the number which is exactly divisible by 2. Is you can easily divide it into the halves.
Ma'am, I understood.
Got it? Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
If I say there are some objects, there are 12 spoons at your home. Okay. Mama, mute yourself, Vedi. Dwani, suppose you have 12 spoons at your home. Okay. You have 12 spoons and mama says give half of the, अब 12 spoons का half तो करोगी नहीं ना, एक spoons का बैठ के. Total there are 12 spoons. If how many spoons you will give to the Jignesh?
6
Upon 12. 6 upon 12.
If I ask to write it into the fraction, you will say 6 upon 2. 12, sorry. But how many exactly spoons you will give to Jignesh? Half कितने होंगे?
6
Got it?
Yes, ma'am, it is very easy.
Suppose if I say there are 40 chocolates. 40 chocolates.
Upon 40.
Don't give me the answer in the fraction. I'm asking how many chocolates are the half of 40?
20.
20. So always remember, when are you taking the half of any number divided by 2? Divided by 2. Okay, but if you are writing in the fraction, then you write in the fraction. Suppose if I am telling what is the half of 40, so you write 20 upon 40 in the fraction. 20 upon 40 in the fraction. 20 chocolates are the half of the 40, and this is clear about the halves concept. Is clear, everyone? Can we go to the quarters? Quarter means if we are dividing anything into the 4 parts. Each part is the quarter. Suppose this is pizza. I am dividing it to the 4 equal parts. Meena is eating this. Reena is eating this part. Sheena is eating this. And Ram is eating this part. So each one is having 1 upon 4 because one part, total 4 parts. One part, total 4 parts. One part, total 4. 1 upon total 4. So if I talk how much Reena is eating, how much part Reena is eating? One part. Out of how many parts?
4 parts.
4. So if I want to write the fraction, what is the fraction part of Reena is eating? So you will say 1 upon
4.
1/4. It is called 1/4 also, and 1 upon 4. When we write it into the names, it will be 1/4. Got it? And we can say 1 upon 4.
Ma'am,
you have
1/4.
Yeah, 1/4. 1/4 in the number names, and 1 upon 4 we can call it like this. Clear, Hare?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, suppose I have a chocolate and I divide it into the again 10 parts. Oh, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the 1/4 of this chocolate? How many parts? How you will write the fraction? 1/4 of this chocolate.
Ma'am, 5.
5 upon 5.
5 upon.
Here you have to make 4 groups. There you were making 2 groups only, ना 5 के 2 groups बनाए आपने half करने के लिए.
4 upon 10.
How 4 upon 10? You have to make total 4 groups. You need to tell me the quarter. One group, two group, three group, four group. Tell me, what will be the quarter?
5.
No, 10 ka quarter. Suppose if I give you the 6. No, 8. Suppose I give you there are 8 parts total. Total 8 parts of any chocolate. So what is the quarter?
4.
2 upon 8. Somebody has given me the answer. Got it? Because when you do 4 times 2,
Ma'am, how it will be 2 upon 8?
4 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
This is clear to everyone? Suppose if I have, so quarter is clear to everyone that 4 parts. When you divide anything into 4 equal parts, we are talking about the quarter, and each part is the quarter. And how to write the fraction of the quarter? Who will tell me how to write the quarter of the fraction? 1 upon? Tell me, students. 1 upon 4.
8.
1 upon 4 is the quarter.
1 upon 4.
Vihan, now your camera is working, and I request you to sit always like this.
Ma'am, I have one on settings and I have one on the microphone.
Okay. Now I'm going to show you one video.
In this fraction, our today's topic is fraction. I'm going to teach you this fraction through a story. So, let us begin with this story. It's a birthday party, and it is the birthday party of Seema. She have invited her 3 friends, Ravi, Mickey and Remy. And now what you can see, yes, a big whole cake. Now Seema wants to divide this cake among Ravi, Mickey, Remy and yes, herself also. And she wants to divide equally among her friends, that is equal shares she wants to give. She don't want any of them to get less share. So now she will be dividing this cake. Let's see. Yes. See how she is dividing the cake? The left part is bigger.
So when she is dividing the cake in this way, is she dividing equally?
No, ma'am.
No, she is not. In fraction, always
No,
remember
ma'am.
when we are dividing equally, then only we are talking about the fraction. Here she is not dividing the cake equally. So please check.
And what we can see? The right part is smaller. She have divided into 2 parts and it is not equal. They are 4. But she have divided 2 and that also it's an unequal. Now she will again divide this cake so that she can distribute it equally. Now let's see. Now she is dividing the cake from the middle and we can see that she has divided into 2 parts, but there are 4 people. Now what she will do? she will again divide the cake from the middle. Now we can see 1, 2, 3 and 4 parts. So there are 4 parts, 4 equal parts, and now she can divide among themselves. Now Seema is dividing the cake. She have given one part to herself, one to Ravi, Mickey and Remy. So how many parts were there? 1, 2, 3 and 4 parts. And she have given one part to herself out of 4. And in the same way, she have distributed to her friends 1 out of 4. So this 1 by 4, 1 out of 4, these numbers are called fraction, or you may get 2 by 4, 3 by 6. So these numbers are called fraction. So let's see more about it. Okay. Now I have taken a circle. This is called a whole. Okay. Now what I will do, I will divide.
Whole means complete thing. Okay. Just a minute. Let me take the attendance and then we proceed.
Divide the circle from the middle. Now I have divided into what I will say? Yes, parts. So these are called parts. So what is fraction now? Fractions are part of a whole. Now we will look forward and we will see how to write any number in fraction. To write in fraction, we always use the form numerator by denominator, and we denote this numerator as n and denominator as d. Now what is numerator and denominator? You can see the object I have drawn. I have shaded 2 parts, right? Now numerator always denotes the shaded part of a whole, and denominator, which we write below, is the total number of parts of a whole. Now let's write the fraction. We can see that
Children, tell me if I will tell you what is the fraction of yellow part. So how you will write the fraction for the yellow part?
Ma'am, 1 by 2. Ma'am, 1 upon 2.
There are 2 yellow parts.
2 upon 1.
How 2 upon 1, Hare?
2 upon 2. Ma'am, 2 upon. Ma'am, 1 upon 2. Ma'am, 2 by 4.
Now listen to me, students, carefully. I am talking about write the fraction for yellow parts, and yellow are 2. So your numerator will be 2. And how many are the total parts in this? 4. So your denominator will be 4. So we are talking about the yellow part. So the fraction will be 2 upon 4. Got it, everyone? Yeah. Suppose if I am talking about write the fraction for white part, not the yellow part, then also it will be 2 upon 4, because the white parts are 2 and the total are 4. So the answer will be 2 upon 4.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the BMW car
there
sign is
are
also like the
1
2 upon 4.
and 2 shaded parts. So we will write 2 in numerator, and we can see that there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 total parts. As I have told you, 4 we will write in the denominator. So our fraction is 2 by 4.
Now students, you give me the examples for half. Yes, Please give me the examples. Yes, Pritika.
I have a pizza. It is of 4 parts,
Hmm.
and I have divided in equal 4 parts, and I have 3 friends, including me also.
Hmm.
It is 4. So I will give equal parts to all of them, and I will not take one. So I have divided it 4, and the fraction is 3/4.
Okay. But I am asking the example for the half. Give me the example. Asta, said properly. Give me the example for the half. Riha.
Yes, ma'am. I have one chocolate. It has 10 pieces, and I want to divide it with my friend. So I will divide it into half. So we both get 5 pieces of chocolate.
Very
And
good.
it is
And if you want to write it in the fraction, how you will write?
in fraction. We will write 1/10. No, 1/2.
5 upon 10. Okay. The parts which you got are the 5 and the total were 10. So each got 5 upon 10, 5 upon 10 parts. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Suppose if I have one figure here. I colored it red. I colored it blue, blue, and blue. So how you will write the students for the fraction for the blue part?
3/4. 3/4.
How you will write the fraction for the, because 3 are blue, 1, 2, 3,
Yes, ma'am.
and total are 4. 3 upon 4 is the fraction for the blue part. Okay. Suppose I have some object having 8 parts. Okay. This is yellow, yellow, red, 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 pink, pink, pink. Which color is occupying more space?
Red.
Red.
And red and pink.
I will give
Red.
pink and this I will give red. Suppose. Which color is occupying more space?
Red.
Red.
Red. 1, 2, 3, 4. Red. How many parts are colored red?
8. 4.
No.
8.
4. So what is the fraction for the red color?
4/8. 4/8.
What is the fraction for yellow color?
1/8. 2/8.
2 upon 8. There are 2 parts. What is the fraction for pink color?
2/8.
2 upon 8. This we have learned how to write the fractions for the given figures. Right? And halves and quarter concept is clear. Thank you, students, for today's class.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.